I worry about money. What if my car breaks down? What if I need dental work? What if I need a new computer? And what if I need a new HVAC system for the house? How will I pay for it if all of this happens at the same time? I think about this over and over. I ruminate on it. Now, the thing is, I have a plan. I already know what I would do financially if all of these things happened at once because I've thought about it so much. Yet it still creeps into my mind, and it's not a good use of my mental and emotional energy. So here's a strategy that I use. When something takes over my thinking, like when I worry about money, which is bound to happen and it's completely normal, but when it happens to me, I ask myself, will I learn anything new if I continue to think about this? If the answer is yes, then I keep thinking about it in order to do more self-exploration on the idea. But if the answer is no, like in the case of me worrying about money, then I say out loud, there's nothing more to learn here. Acknowledging that there is nothing to learn gives my mind permission to let go. Now, the trick to really letting go is to always have an idea on deck, something you are still working on and learning about. For me, I'm always trying to figure out how to make my next video better. So when that worry about money starts to creep into my mind, I will say, there's nothing more to learn here, and then immediately switch to thinking about how to make my next video better. What if I script it? What if I change the lighting? Don't use up your mental and emotional energy worrying about the same old things when there's nothing to be learned. That's an inefficient use of your limited resources. Instead, acknowledge the worries, then quickly shift your thinking in order to explore the new ideas that can help you reach your potential.